Unlike other all-you-need-to-know videos, this time we thought we'd start with the propulsion and handling, because that's what really distinguishes the Azimut S6. The boat's fitted with 3 Volvo Penta IPS 700 propulsion units. Azimut's Innovation Lab immediately recognized the huge potential of this 3-unit configuration in terms of fuel efficiency, but also reduced noise and vibration. This boat positively bulges with power and potential. The integrated IPS system is driven by a 7.7-litre Volvo Penta D8 engine with a twin-flow turbo rated at 550 brake horsepower, that's 405 kilowatts, and capable of delivering top speeds of up to 35 knots. At a cruising speed of 30 knots, fuel consumption is around 255 litres per hour for an effective range of 275 nautical miles. The result of all this innovative technology can be felt where it really counts, at the helm. The system's pivoting pods translate into superior handling, solid tracking, and faster acceleration. In fact, with 1,650 horsepower under the hood, the boat could reach planing speed in about 7 seconds. And then it just keeps on going, reaching a top speed in about another 5 or 6 seconds.